Hello everybody, what's up? My name is RapCat45 here, and today, in my last video, you may have saw that I unboxed this Game Boy Advance. So, of course, I'm shooting this after I did the last video, so I haven't cleaned any of the buttons, but that's fine, because that's not what I'm here to do. Today, I'm going to be comparing it to a dun, 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 the other stuff I have. I'm going to pause the video real quick because I need to get some batteries. Well, I got batteries now. So these are the two I normally have for my Game Boy Colors, but because I'm going to be comparing this to the Game Boy Color, because since I have two Game Boy Colors, I figured why not. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this in the unboxing video. It doesn't have a back plate, so it's not going to stand up. Whoa, where did this come from? Oh, that's right, that was on my desk. That's for just... It's that stuff over there. I forgot that was there. Alright, so let's go ahead and put some batteries in this thing. I hope I'm putting them in the right way. I believe this is... Yeah, okay. This is the right way. Okay, there. So let's see if it turns on. Yep. Bling! Okay, cool. So, maybe it'll stand up now that it has batteries. No, still not thick enough. Okay. So if you want it to stand up, you're going to need a back cover. And we're going to be using my Pokemon Color. No, actually we're not. Because the speaker on it is like super quiet. It's crystal clear, but super quiet. Because we got to go for the full comparison. So obviously this doesn't have a back plate on it. I'm not going to put the Pokemon one on it because I already tried that. And for some reason... it's a little too small for this one. Like, it fits perfectly on the Pokemon one, but not this one. I don't know why. Alright, so let's go ahead and put the batteries in this one, too. So now they both have batteries in them. Now we're looking at Game Boys with batteries. Oh, yeah. Alright, well, this is going to stand up fine, because it's got a little base on the bottom. Actually, I haven't even shown you guys the ports yet. My bad. Alright, so the on button's on the bottom. You got your headphone jack. Oh, I'm sorry, this isn't very focused, is it? Oh, that's about as focused as it'll get, so. Then you got your headphone jack, your volume. Ooh, dents on the side, that's not cool. Of course, you got your A, your B, your D-pad, which actually feels really nice considering the button. The A button is horrifying. The B button's fine. You got your start and select, which are rubbery now. Wait, no, they always were rubbery. I was just thinking of, like, the DS, where they're, like, or the DS Lite, where they're, like, clicky instead of rubber. This time around, you got shoulder buttons, though. Yes. And then you got your external port, your game slot, and your batteries. This is different from the Game Boy Colors, which was the one before. As you can see, it's pretty similar. But it's definitely different. So yeah, I'm gonna break this thing. So there is definitely that. So we're just gonna I'm just gonna lean these on this. I don't know why I didn't do that originally. So let's go ahead and take a look at cartridge sizes. So of course here's the original cartridge size, which was for the original Game Boy. Then we have the Game Boy Color, which was basically the same dimensions. As you can see, it's basically just as tall. See, is it about just as thick, too? It is. It's, like, just as thick. So basically, essentially what they did is the same casing without the chop off and instead of being an indented, it's outdented. So that makes any sense? Probably doesn't. Alright, so Game Boy Color. Then we're gonna go to the Game Boy Advance, which is a lot smaller, about like half the size. Is a little bit wider though because of these end parts. I don't know why that was there. So it is a little bit wider. Thickness is, I'm gonna guess, about the same. Yeah, about the same. So very similar. And of course, we have DS slash 3DS, which because the 3DS just has this little bump on the side, which they're a lot, of course, is a lot thinner and is basically as tall. Oh, whoa, that's kind of cool. It's like matchy. It's basically as tall, of course, thinner and smaller. So there's that. So smaller and thinner. So let's go ahead and take this out because we obviously can't play them on any of these systems. Now, I believe this is backwards compatible, so we can play Game Boy Color games. It looks really weird, but I believe it does work. Oh, it's even got the classic one, and it went down to its original size, or maybe not original, but a more suitable size. Oh, okay, so you can change it to stretched or not stretched by using the bumpers. So yeah, there's that. So you can do that. It is backwards compatible. You can also use the new ones, which obviously it just uses the regular screen size because it is it. All right, so I don't want to spoil anything because I really want to play this, but I can't because of the A button that I need to clean. So there's that. So let's go ahead and do startup times. Well, no, that'd be the exact same, wouldn't it? Yeah. But it's basically the Game Boy Color with a lot more colors, shoulder pads, and it's got some buttons on the sides instead of being really long. Actually, they just made it vertical. It's like the same size, it's just vertical. It's a little bit bigger. Yeah, they essentially just turned it vertical. How long is this video? Not very long. Well, not as long as I thought it was anyways. So there's that. There is my somewhat decent comparison between the Game Boy Advance and the Game Boy Color. Until I get another Game Boy. These are the three I have. Oh wait, now I can test if my DS Lite's ports work. I can play it on my DS. My DS Lite. Oh, I got more white stuff on my hands. I'm like just trying to. So maybe I can play it after all. Oh no, I got the cartridge all white. Ugh. Never have dust on your desk. It'll ruin your video. It has probably ruined my shirt. I can't really see it. Never mind. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. On the time I'm recording this, our internet's out, so I can't actually upload it immediately after this. So, yeah. That's a little disappointing. Oh well. It'll be uploaded soon, I promise.